Good afternoon, everybody. Many of you may not know me. I haven't taught many of you here, but Vishnu, you touched our hearts. God bless you. And to be honest with you, my entry into Vikasa was thanks to Divakar. Many will not know this, but Divakar sir was in hospital when I went in asking Mr. Iyengar for a job. And he told me that, you can come in from tomorrow. It's a leave vacancy. Our chemistry teacher is in this post, so you may come in. I was just 21 when I joined Vikasa. After 15 days, Mr. Iyengar called me and said, "Thank you very much for your help. You may leave." And I said, "Sir, I actually want to be here. I will seek admission for my children. That's the motive." And he told me, no, I'm sorry. We already have two chemistry teachers. One is me and one is Divakar sir. And Divakar is back. And then he said the only vacancy is for a Sanskrit teacher. But you don't have a qualification. So I went, got the Sanskrit qualification and came back. And I never forget to tell my children, I had to study for your sake. But then, at the end of it, once I joined as a Sanskrit teacher, Mr. Iyengar made me teach chemistry, made me teach math, made me teach Hindi. And he said, you have to thank me for getting you that additional degree. To cut a long story short, Vikasa made me a teacher. And I will never forget every bit of what I learned there as a teacher, to be a teacher, and to be a good teacher at that. The children taught me. On the very first day, and that is something that I keep telling everybody, since I was officiating for Mr. Divakar, he sent me to Standard 12. First day, first show, you can imagine. And Standard 12, so we had some stalwarts in that class. I entered the school, and one of them comes up to me. Patrick sir, good afternoon. So one of them, some of the teachers will remember Surender. So Surender comes up to me. You remember Surender? He comes up, he actually walks up. Married, huh? I got the biggest shock of my life. So I just nodded my head. In the class. So I said, I come as a teacher. I entered the class and Arun Shankar, Farshid, Alagu, Anand Selvakesari, these boys. And Arun Shankar, you may all not have seen him. He used to be 6 feet tall, 6 feet broad. So he comes and stands in front of me and hides the whole class. And I can't see anybody behind. As it is, I'm nervous. And they burst crackers in the class. And end of the day, I go to Mr. Divakar and I said, "Sir, to be honest, I don't know how to handle this class." And he tells me, "Aruna, you will learn." And learn I did. Because the kind of freedom, the kind of openness, the kind of camaraderie that one saw there, I don't think one can experience that anywhere else. All those who went through Vikasa, and I used to tell this to everybody, rather than be a teacher in Vikasa, I would have loved to be a student in Vikasa. Because one could learn so much, imbibe so much from the stalwarts who were teaching. And we were all told, please remember, Mr. Iyengar used to give us life lessons. And those were, things that I have cherished. I'm sure many of you know that I started my own school in the year 2009. And for the first annual day, the first chief guest ever was Mr. Iyengar. And I owe everything to him. Even now when I have some problems, I call him up and I ask him, "Sir, what should be done?" So he has been a mentor. And so have I. Malini and I used to travel together to school every day. So all those were lessons. Never forget Ramki and Divakar singing. and all of us practicing. The teachers, we used to practice for the Dronacharya meet. And year after year in the Dronacharya meet, Vikasa teachers have taken the cake.
Yeah.
Every year we used to win and bring back laurels for Vikasa, and it used to be like, I think something like 8 years we got the championship in Dronacharya meet. போன ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரைஸ் தான். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரைஸ் இல்லாமல் நாங்கள் வந்ததே கிடையாது. Yes, Mr. Divakar was declared as Mr. Dronacharya. We've had some glorious moments, and today I have to thank Ruth is not here. Thank Ruth for making sure that I am here today. And thanks to all of you, thanks to the organizing committee, thanks to the 9, who have made it, who have done this. It's been on our minds last 1 month. We've been seeing that this Noah is going to really take off in a big way, and it has. Thank you very much for having all of us over and for this opportunity. It's indeed wonderful to see at least some of you here. And Asir sir, thank you. Would love to come in. Asir sir joined Vikasa in 2001, and he was with me when I was for a short time when I was principal. So it's been a glorious period. I think Jalila also, Jalila, Asir, Sapura will not miss you. Sapura has been principal of a school, and we've been in touch as principals. So this has been great, and bless you all. May you reach heights that you've never ever imagined, and all our blessings are with you. Should you need any guidance or help or suggestion, or like Ruth keeps saying, no, we are not advising, but if you need anything, do reach out. You are us. And I have to end with one thing that I experienced just now. I think Tamil Malar was talking about the grandchildren, right? It so happened that now in my school I have my students' children also, and I have one of the students' grandchild has come in. Now that grandchild used to see me and call me Aruna Pati. Now the day they came for admission, there's so many children outside, and this child from outside, Aruna Pati, she shouts. I ran out to her and I said, Vishu, in a party கூப்பிடாதே. Aruna Pati தானே? I said, ஆமா Aruna Pati தான், but இங்கே நீ Aruna Pati கூப்பிடாதே. So again, all these lessons. So fond memories, nostalgia, lovely times. God bless you all. Thank you.